Hello, welcome to everybody. Today, very interesting and logical exponential equation x exponent of 3 exponent of x and minus x exponent of 6 is equal to 0. X belongs to real number. So, how we can calculate this result? We take and here this equation we can write x exponent of x whole exponent of 3 minus x exponent of 6 is equal to 0. Now and here we can apply q formula according to the rules. So now this result x exponent of x whole cube is equal to, we change this result, x square and x exponent of 6. Now x exponent of x whole exponent of x is equal to x square whole exponent of 3. Now power are same, so we are comparing their basis. X exponent of x is equal to x square. Now dividing both sides by x exponent from x exponent of x divided by x square is equal to x square divided by x square. Both are cancelled, so here is 1. According to the rule, bases are same, so we subtract their powers, and here this is the rule. X exponent of m, x exponent of n is equal to, we take just only one base and subtract their power. Similarly, and here we are using, and here x and x minus 2 is equal to 1. So there are two cases, there are two possibilities. If we are using case number first, and here if we are using, we can write x into x exponent of x minus 2 is equal to 1 equal to 0. So now bases are same. X minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. We get one solution. Now using another solution, if we are applying in here case number second, so what will happen? X power minus 2 is equal to 1, and 1 we can write x power minus 2. So now the power are same, so we are comparing, and here x is equal to 1. So here we get two solutions, x is equal to 1 and 2. Now we want to verify our answer is correct or not. Check x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. So x and 1, 3 and 2 1 minus 1 and 2 6 is equal to 0. So 1 exponent of 3 minus 6 is equal to 0. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. Yes, that is correct. So x is the solution of x, is 1 is the solution of 1. Similarly, if you want to check x is equal to 2, what will happen? The result are same or not. So x is equal to 2. So 2 exponent of 3 and 2 minus 2 and 6 is equal to 0. This is the question mark. So we get, and here 6 minus 2 exponent of 6 is equal to 0. Question mark. This is cancelled to each other. So 0 is equal to 0. Yes, x is equal to 2 is also the solution. This is the solution. It means that x is equal to 1 and 2 both are exist for the real number. That is, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more.